ABS-CBN. Talaga namang isa sa mga, the last project she had with us was Minsan Lang Kita Ibigin, and she is so back, and so everyone's happy. Please welcome the Grand Slam Queen, Miss Lorna Tolentino. Flowers for you from our associate producer, Miss Alma. Okay. Photo up muna, looking here.
Selfie here.
Oh my goodness. Miss Elsie, would you like to greet everyone, please?
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. And I'm so happy to be back.
It's been what? Ilang years?
5 years.
5 years.
Tips.
You have no idea how much I prayed for this moment, Miss Elsie.
Eh, lahat naman. Ako din. Pinag-pray ko na, makabalik.
I know. We're so happy.
Thank you.
Okay.
Happy din ako.
Thank you. She's looking so good. Okay, here's a question. Sa mabilis ang question from Mr. MJ Felipe. MJ, please. Ayan.
DLT, ka-text lang kita dati ngayon.
Oh, anong pwede-textan niyo, MJ?
Okay, question si Sa kay Ate diretso kaya text ko na kaagad.
Wow.
And she's back here. Gaya ng question ko kay JC, what can we expect from your comeback here sa soap?
After 5 years.
Yes.
Oo nga, mas malaki at mas mahirap at mas matinding karakter ang babalik.
Talaga. Mas intense pa sa nagawa mo dati, Ate.
Ay, oo.
Wow, interesting
Okay, mamaya na yung role siguro pag naglabasan na sila lahat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, MJ. Thank you.